In the quiet glow of early morning, I hear your voice inside my head. Stops as light through open windows. Every word you gently said. You were the first to sing that old tune, smiling while you looked my way. Didn't know my heart was falling from the very sweet days. You are the rhyme that carried my days, the warmth I felt in quiet ways. But like the dawn that fades to blue, the light of love slipped out of you. You are the sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Every morning I wake up and smiling, 'cause I remember your gentle song. You were the first one who sang it to me, and at that moment I know belong. The way you laughed made my world feel lighter, like the sunrise calling my name. I didn't know that a simple melody, 'cause I set my lonely heart to flame. You are the rhyme that carried my days, the warmth I felt in quiet ways. But like the dawn that fades to blue, the light of love slip out of you. You are the sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Now the morning I feel a little colder. The song still plays, but you're not here. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. And though you know, dear, how much I love you, please don't take my sunshine away. Please don't take, baby, my sunshine away.